Welcome, brothers and sisters. Now we're looking at Com Studios Majin Vegeta head sculpt. First is the packaging. Ta-da! Wow, it's just plain black box, basically, with just graphics right here. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, there's nothing more. And now let's compare the Com Studio on your left screen and then the SHF figure on your right screen. Okay, as you can see, the SHF have 4 hair spikes, but they're longer. And then the Com Studio have 5 spikes, but they're shorter. Let's check the back of the head. Okay, as you can see, the spikes on the SHF right here on your right screen are longer compared to the Com Studios, which are shorter. But there are more hair spikes on the Com Studio version. Okay, now let's check by cut. Okay, brothers and sisters, let's put the face on the head sculpt or hair kit so we can see what it actually looks like compared to each other. Okay, here we go, side by side. On your right screen is the SHF. On your left screen is the Com Studio version. Wow! It looks like Super Saiyan 2 on the Com Studio. Very accurate. Very beautiful. Now let's try putting the Com Studio on the SHF body and see what is the total visual. Okay, let's assure. Just making sure everything is fine. Okay, brothers and sisters. Oh man, be careful, brothers and sisters. Majin Vegeta SHF is very expensive. Be careful, it's not worth breaking it over Com Studio. But look at that. Wow, wow, it's beautiful. Now it is Super Saiyan 2, Majin Vegeta. Let's try the other one. Here it is, the one with the eyes looking on his right. Something that SHF didn't give us. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 look at that, look at that. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful! Wow, 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 it's beautiful. Wow, wow, it's beautiful. Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you and have a good night or good day wherever you are.